Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will explain to you the working principle of batch switching process for EPS cutting line batch switch. Batch switch workflow description. When the EPS cutting line switches between two different batches, after the last piece of EPS blocks from the first batch is cut, the worker can manually input the corresponding cutting data for the second batch order on the touchscreen. After completing the automatic wire setting, the EPS cutting line starts cutting the second batch order one by one. Approximate time for switching batches. Manual input of second batch cutting parameters. About 1 minute. Automatic wire setting process. About 2 minutes. At this time, if the first batch order has finished the destacker or stacking work and the current working station is empty, then the worker can enter the destacker and stacking parameters from the touch screen for the second batch order. This avoids clearing the entire production line and allows the EPS cutting line to continue running, improving whole cutting efficiency. If the destacker and stacking information for the second batch of orders is the same as the first batch, there is no need to manually input the destacker and stacking data. The system will default to the previous data because our parameter transmission is real-time. The quantity of the second batch of EPS blocks can be modified on the main screen. After cutting all the EPS blocks, the first phase cutting will pause automatically and the alarm light will signal. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.